Hi guys, so we're on our way to the James Bond Island tour and we stopped over at this small gas station and then look what we saw here. So there's I think this is a McCall, very colorful. And sometimes he's screaming a lot.
Yeah, I think it's excited.
And then here's like a little restaurant, and then we saw some other birds here. So there's like and it looks like they're cooking there. That's the cooking for the restaurant. And there's like, you know, some chicken, and there's a peacock here. There's a peacock, and there's like another peacock here, and these are some two big peacocks, and I can see there's a hen. So this is a nice little gas station in Krabi, Thailand. Okay. So these are crocodile limestone rock formation. They look like crocodile.
Oh, I thought it was real. Oh, I thought it was. We don't want our teeth to rot. Oh, see, with my teeth, all my teeth in there.
So it looks like we just landed on the James Bond Island. Hello everyone, we are in the beautiful island of James Bond Island, and this is just a quick tour of the stores, and you can see that there's a cave there, and we are here for like 40 minutes, 50 minutes. So I'll just show you a quick, I'll just give you a quick tour of the stores, gift shops, and then we'll take a look at the James Bond Island route. So you can see they have lots of gift items. So these are mainly souvenir products and handmade jewelries. And you can see that all of them are like, you know, everyone is like, you know, tourist. And I think that's how they survive. So, and here there's a small beach, and I can see a lot of people. And then this is the James Bond Island, or the symbol of James Bond Island. I think the whole place is the James Bond Island. And then here there are a few more stores, and there's the washroom facility there. And then that is the James Bond Island limestone cliff, and I'll just show you it right from there. So you can go up there if you like, you know, walk 2 hours. I mean 2 minutes. So you went there, and the view is gorgeous, which is going to be in my long form video. And then here you can see the famous cliff, and there's the James Bond Island sign right here. And we are in Krabi, Thailand. So this is the Muslim fishing floating village, and we are going to have lunch here. So this is our food. There's 2 types of chicken. I think chicken. Shrimp. Oh, this is actually shrimp. Then rice, then vegetables, and these are all Muslim food. Then there's like, you know, curry soup, and we're picking up food from there, and we'll eat now. So this is the food. This one is spicy. These are chicken and shrimp. So this is the floating stadium in the fishing village, and you can see. So I'm going to have a more detailed tour on this. This is just a short preview, and you can see that that's where they play.
My wife, 52.
Oh, thank you. And this is the school. This is the school here, and the kids are playing. So this is the Monkey Cave Temple tour, and they said we cannot take bag or camera or anything, only cell phone and wallet, because I think monkey likes to grab cameras and other objects. So I'm recording this with my phone, and not sure how far we're gonna go. And you can see that there's a huge temple there, and then there's another temple, and I think they are part of the same complex. So we may have to cover up. We bought this for 20 baht. I'm not sure we bought this or rented, but they took 20 baht, and then you have to cover. So we're just going here. This looks like reclining Buddha. It's strictly prohibited to step or climb on Buddha statue. Okay, so we have lots of statue here, and this is the famous. Actually, there's another reclining Buddha in Bangkok, and this is a reclining Buddha in Krabi. So I'm just going to take some pictures and video. So we have more statue of Buddha here, and then there's some more statues. And I'm just going to go up and see what's in there. So we are up in here, and I don't see actually any monkey yet. And not sure where does it go. Oh, so it keeps going and going. So decided to come here a little bit. I'm not sure how far does it go. Don't write anything on the rock. Oh, okay, so I see what's going on. So this is just keep going and going until, okay, so these are just rocks here, as you can see, but you know, I don't think I have time to go that far, but I think you can go farther up here. So just going to go down here and return.